They're digging. They're digging. Everybody's working in the cold. And they're digging here too. I'm just coming to get some gas. They're digging here too. That's a big pit. Wonder what they're going to be putting some kind of junction box there. Yeah. It went down to 16 degrees Fahrenheit last night. It's just above freezing right now. Just to let you know what they're doing. So let's pause for gasoline. Okay, I got my gas. Let's see if we can take a look at what they're doing. And carefully circling to the right. There's a big scrap metal hauler. Now, KVA, I've seen that on the side. I'm not promoting anything, I'm not recommending anything. KVA is the guys that are doing this digging. So they get this little plow thing here, and the shovel is down to stabilize it so you can't just turn the ignition on and run away with it. Now, hang on. And we'll take a quick look. They got all those pieces there. The guy's working hard. Oh, now he's going to get the Kubota. Oh, it's got some kind of drill on the front of it. You see it? There we go. He's getting ready to do something with it. Hang on. Hang on. I'm being nosy. Let's see what he's going to do. He could just be getting in there to get warm. Let's see if he moves it. I'm not in anybody's way. I think he's in there because he's cold. It's just above freezing. Yeah, he's not doing anything. He's in there to shelter. Okay. I'm going to put my gloves on. Give him one more minute. Already seen a couple of chicken trucks. Yeah, he's just in there getting warm. Okay. Okay. I go out the back way, that way I have the light. Steve AB4L, just being nosy. It's cold as hell, but that ain't stopping him. Now, got winter low angle sun. We love it. And I'm just in time to get the green. Okay. Steve AB4L, just having fun. Out to get some gas. Ooh, it's cold. Saying see you at 73.